Okay, so with me here I have the Goron Tula. You can call it silky cola. So I just want to show you how you can use this product. So the seed, all the seed like this, you take out. Or you can also soak it while the seed is getting soft for you to use. This is what it looks like inside. Okay, so you soak it. Let me bring down the, you can see. Okay, so soak, and when you feel comfortable with it, like it's soft enough, you take and you chew. Okay, I'm bringing out the seed. Okay, so it's so silky as you're chewing it. Very, very silky. Oh my god, so wonderful. Okay, soak up all the juice, all of it. Oh my god. So bring out the top. So this is what the chaff looks like. Okay? And then you keep. And then you take another one, you chew. Alright? So that's it. And that's how to use the Goron Tula. I hope you have a good day. Bye bye.